Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the profit loss, discount and overhead expense and GST. Okay, these are the topics. So first we are going to see about the profit and loss. So cost price means what? The amount you have brought. Okay, that is your cost price. So what you are going to buy, that's your original price is your cost price. Okay, then selling prices, they are means sold price means if you're buying a 2 rupees pen means they are selling for 3 rupees. Okay, so that is a selling price. Then profit or gain means so profit or gain means profit equal to selling price minus cost price. For example, I told right, pen is 3 rupees, you are selling minus 2, so what your profit? 1 rupees, right? But the cost price, you have, if you are buying a so this is, if you're buying at 3 rupees, okay, so you're selling a how much? 2 rupees. So how much? So 1 rupees you are getting a loss. That is your lost price. Okay, loss means you are getting, if you're buying a 3 rupees pen, you are selling a 2 rupees means obviously you are getting a 1 rupees loss, right? That's what we, if you're selling a 3 rupees, your cost, original cost is 2 means you're getting a 1 rupees profit. Okay, we already know about the profit and loss. So it's note that the profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price only. By using the cost price only, we are going to calculate profit and loss. So these are the formula. So gain, profit or gain percentage equal to profit by CP into means cost price into 100%. So loss means loss by CP into 100%. Selling price 100 plus profit percentage division of 100 into CP. So vice versa. Okay, so you learn about these formulas. First of all, we learn about these formulas. Okay, while using this concept, we can learn about this. Don't worry about. So if you are interchanging this 100 by it's become denominator, then 100. This is a selling price. This is one of the formula. This was profit. This is one loss. So SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage division of 100. In this place, plus profit means plus, loss means minus into CP. So cross multiply if you want to find out your CP. So CP is equal to 100 by this term into your SP. That's it. Then discount. Discount we already know about that. Discount they particularly mention if you are buying a one dress means 1000 rupees. So 10% means what? 1000 into 10 by 100, 10%. So 100. So how much they are decreasing? 100 rupees. That is what discount. Okay, they are reducing some amount. Okay, for a festival they are reducing, right? That's what. Marked price. If you are going to the any departmental store means the big shops. Okay, for example, EA and Saravana store, like that we are having, right? So every product is tagged. They already stick some amount for that code, right? That is what market price. Marked price. Marked price means they already marked that rate. What is the original rate? The price of the mark on it. Okay, the price is already marked on the product. That is a mark. Okay, then so if you mark, getting a shopkeeper offer. Sometimes you are having a hardy tallubadi, like that, right? So on that time they are giving the percentage of discount. They are giving a particular percentage of discount, right? So this is a market price. We are going to discount that. That is a selling price. So for example, the market price I am telling 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. Your discount is 100. So how much you are going to pay? 100 rupees. That is a selling. How much they are selling to you? That is a selling price in this place. Overhead expenses. Overhead expenses means if you are buying a washing machine for 10,000, then extra charge. If you are bringing to a home, so you are giving extra money for this. So how much? 1500 stake, right? So the cost price of that product plus overhead means the extra charge at the transportation and repairs and labor chain charge. That's for extra charges, right? That's only the overhead expenses. So total cost price is equal to, we're getting a product to a home, that's also having some expense, right? That's only. So what is the discount percentage equal to? If you don't know what's the discount percentage, right? So you know discount amount division of mark price. So I already told, right? So I know in this place discount amount is 100. What's my market price? 1000 rupees into 100. So 0, 0, 0 and one more 0. So I can find out 10%. I already find out 10% is my 100 rupees for 1000, right? So what's my percentage? 10%. That's so goods and service tax. GST we already know. Shared by the central and state government equally. There are many products like eggs and each and everything, eating food, whatever it is, it's having a government. Equally we are going to giving the GST. That share only they are mentioning. Okay, we are paying for central government. Now then we are having a one more note I already said. Okay, for example, if the cost price of X article equal to selling price of Y article, then the profit equal to this formula. If it is a profit, means this formula. If it is a loss, means if you are having a negative, means that should be a loss. Okay. For example, they are giving the before sum. The cost price of 16 box of the strawberries is equal to the selling price of the 20 box of the strawberry. So find the gain or loss percentage. That's what they are asking. So I don't know. We already know CP. CP means cost price is X article. So my CP is one strawberry box B X. I am taking X for my card because they are asking a gain or loss. So I am taking that is my X. So CP of this 20 strawberry equal to 20. So one strawberry rate is one strawberry box equal to rupees X. So 20 means, so one chocolate rupees is a 5 means 20 chocolates means 5 into, so 20 into 5, the same process. One strawberry box is X rupees means, so 20 boxes means 20 into X. Okay, so selling price of 20 strawberry equal to CP of T. So because what they mention, 16 boxes equal to the selling price of the 20 box. So CP of the 20 strawberry box equal to CP of the 16 strawberry box means 16 into this CP into X, 16 into X boxes. Okay, so obviously, so loss equal to CP minus SP. CP is what? 20X minus nothing but SP is more you are giving. Comparatively, SP is less. Okay, we are having a more strawberry box you are giving in your selling. Okay, but it should be equal for the 16. So obviously is a less. That's why they are find out in your loss. Loss means was CP minus SP. So obviously you are getting a 4X. 4 boxes you are getting a loss. That's why. So loss equal to loss by CP into 100%. So 4X by 20X into 100. So what's the loss? 20% will last from this. This is for loss. In exercise sum, we are going to learn about the profit sum. Okay, later we will learn about that. Then, in this place, we are having a 2 formula, 2 successive discount. So A percentage, B. You are having a 2 successive discount mean what's the formula? SP is equal to 1 minus A by 100 into 1 minus B by 100 into MP means market price. Okay, single discount in percentage equivalent to 3 successive discount of A percentage, B percentage and C percentage. If they given 3 successive discounts, we are going to convert it into single percentage. Going to convert to single percentage. So 1 minus these 3 percentage, 1 minus A by 100, 1 minus B by 100, 1 by C into 100. That is the 3 successive discount and convert it into 1 single discount. That's it. Later we will move to the exercise. Okay.